The secret CPA tax prep scam you've never heard of. A firefighter came to me puzzled. For years, his tax refund was the same, $3,250, like clockwork. Then came a promotion. His salary jumped almost 30%. More taxes withheld. On paper, his refund should have been bigger. But when April rolled around, the deposit was still the same. Suspicious, he brought me his 250-page return. Buried inside was proof. Money was being rerouted before it ever reached him. Most people think tax fraud comes from hackers or identity theft. But some of the most dangerous scams come from across the desk, from the very preparer you're supposed to trust. Here are the top 3 that you need to know. Number 1, the ghost preparer. They inflate your refund with shady deductions or credits, then refuse to sign the return. No signature, no PTIN. When the IRS audits, you take the hit. Number 2, the account switch. They quietly edit your direct deposit numbers so your refund goes into their account. Sometimes they even use Form 8888 to split your refund without telling you. And number 3, refund reassignment. This is what got my firefighter client. It's the most sophisticated scam because it looks legitimate. The pitch sounds reasonable. Don't worry about paying our fee up front. We'll just deduct it from your refund when it comes in. It feels convenient. But buried in the paperwork is language that gives them control of your entire refund. The IRS sends the full amount to a temporary account managed by the preparer. They take their fee, plus processing charges, administrative costs, and whatever creative line items they've dreamed up, then cut you a check for what's left. My client's true refund was $6,100. After the preparer's deductions, he got the same $3,250. He paid $2,850 for a service. That should have cost no more than $600. And he paid it every year, for 8 years. These preparers are smart. They don't steal everything. That would be too obvious. They leave you with enough to feel like you came out ahead. You walk away thinking it was fair. Meanwhile, half your refund ends up inside their billfold. They count on you not knowing what your refund should really be. They count on the complexity of the tax code. When you see a 250-page return with dozens of forms and schedules, you assume it must be right. Who are you to question a professional? And the IRS rarely catches it. Why? Because the return looks fine on paper. A refund transfer looks authorized. Pay from your refund is marketed as convenience. And once the money lands in another account, the burden's on you to take action. So how do you protect yourself? Check line 35A on Form 1040. That's where the account your refund gets deposited in resides. Insist on a flat fee in writing. Avoid percentage-based pricing. Only use preparers who sign with a valid PTIN. And always demand a full copy of your return before it's filed. If it's already happened, act fast. File Form 3911 to trace your money, then call the bank where the refund was deposited. You can report the preparer with Form 14157 and 14157A. And finally, request an IP PIN to protect your future returns. Tax scams don't always come from the shadows. Sometimes they sit across from you in a desk, often wearing a high-dollar suit with a framed degree on the wall. And they do all of it with a thank you for your business handshake and a smile goodbye.